Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use zoom in effect in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So I have this video with the nature here, and what if I need to add, for example, zoom right up here on this page. So in order to do this, all I need is just to first add it on our timeline, of course, and then we need to select it, so just click on it on our timeline, and then we need to add the so-called keyframe. To do this, just go to the right top window right up here, go to video, basic, and then just position and size, add the keyframe. So this icon is right up here, and after that we need to find the next frame. We need to add the zoom in effect, and all we need now is just to add one more keyframe and then just to resize our picture. So now it will look like this between two of our keyframes. As you can see, now we have successfully added our zoom in effect. In order to add the zoom out effect, we can also move to the next position, add one more keyframe and resize it to like 100% of the window. So now it will look like this. So just zoom in and then just zoom out. So basically this is the easiest way of how can we add zoom in effect in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe and write your comment. Goodbye.